Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be updating on my Bath & Body Works project pan. So let's get right into the products that I'm working on. So my first product in this project is my aromatherapy comfort, the vanilla and patchouli, the body wash and foam bath. So here is the progress I was able to make on it over the past month. I only used it 3 times, which is really sad, but I really like this body wash, like the scent of it. I absolutely love it. So it's one of those products that I am like, I want to savor it, but that's kind of why I have it in this project. I have it in here because it is my oldest and I want to use it up, but also the other scent I have in the body wash that I'm trying to use up, I feel like I could get burnt out on fast, so I kind of just throw this one in when I'm a little bit like not feeling the other one. So I do want to savor this. I do want to use it up though. So in the whenever I get to finishing it up, I'll just buy another one because there's no point in saving it. If I love it, I should use it. But yes, I feel like this one is going to move a bit slower than my other body wash just because I'm more focusing on that one than this one, but I am trying to use them both up. The next product I have in, this is my other body wash I have in, is the Cashmere Glow. So hopefully you can see my progress. I was like right there at the top, and now, I'm a little bit farther down, not like a crazy amount by any means. I've used up maybe that much. I don't feel like my numbers are very accurate for the amount of times I've used it since the past update. I only have that I've used it 4 times. I guess I didn't make a ton of progress, so maybe that is accurate, but I feel like I used it more than that. This scent is so strong. It seems like pretty strong just like when you open it and smell it, but when you actually put it like on your body in the shower, bath, whatever you're doing, it's so incredibly strong. So the notes are golden peach, exotic berries, glowing lily petals, shimmering vanilla, and cashmere musk. So it's like a warm scent, and I'm thinking that I'm not going to want to reach for this as soon as the weather gets nicer. It's already starting to pick up. We haven't had any snowy days in a while, so knock on wood, could still happen. But once it's like officially spring and summer, I'm not going to want to use this. So I'm really, over the next couple months, going to be focusing on this a lot more than my comfort body wash, just because this one has got to get out, and I do like the comfort more, so I want to focus on getting this out, and then I can like just enjoy the rest. I think maybe this would even be good for like a bubble bath or something, not as like direct skin contact, like using it as a body wash, because it's just so strong, and I'm like an evening shower typically, so sometimes I don't want to put this on before bed just because the scent is so there's so much aroma versus like my comfort, it's just like a nice calming before bed scent. So yeah, not that I'm struggling with this, but that's just kind of my thoughts. Hopefully over the next month I can make a little bit more progress than I did here, and then who knows, throughout this project I might be like, I can't do it anymore and I need to put it away, but we will see. Next, I have in a body lotion in Be Enchanted. So I was up here when I brought this in, and now I am down here, so a pretty good amount of progress. I have down that I used this 8 times, and you're gonna see between this and the next lotion that the numbers of how many times I used it don't always necessarily correlate with the progress, because this I used as like a body lotion, so like all over my body, post shower, those types of things. So really this is only 8 uses. I think I can finish this before the next update just because I really don't have that much left. So if another 8 would be right here, and I think I can use it more than 8 times in the next month. So I really think I can finish this. So this one hopefully is going to be empty by the next update. As I was saying, with the numbers don't necessarily correlate, next I have in my Vanilla Bean Noel, which I started here and I only am to here. I don't know if you can see those progress lines, but I used this one 6 times. I used this lotion 2 times less than my Be Enchanted lotion, and look at the comparison of how little I actually used this. I didn't use this as like a full body, maybe 1 time max, but I typically used this just like on my hands if I wanted to do a little bit of lotion on my hands before running out the door. So yeah, you can definitely tell the difference that, you know, just putting it on your hands versus using it as like a full body lotion really has, and that the numbers don't necessarily correlate with your progress. But as I said in the first video, I am working on finishing up the Be Enchanted before this one. I just kind of have this Vanilla Bean Noel in as like a buffer, like so if I get tired or there's a night that I'm just like, okay, I can't do Be Enchanted one more time, I can throw this in to mix it up a little bit. But I haven't really gotten tired of Be Enchanted yet, so I'm hoping, like I said, I can just knock that one out the next month and then I can move to this one officially and use this one up as well. I like both the scents. I like a lot of the scents I own. There's none that I'm just like, I can't stand this. So that's a really good for me for using them up because it makes it easy. I don't necessarily like use them a couple times and get burnt out. So yeah, that is the status with the body lotions. Next I have my defective mineral bath soak. So this is literally like bubble bath. That it's a little bit more hydrating than like your average bubble bath. As I mentioned in the first video, the top is like completely coming off, so it's kind of messy, but I've been able to work around it, so it's fine. I only used this 2 times, and that's how much progress I made on it. Hopefully you can see there like how much progress I made. So I think this will not be very hard to use up. You kind of have to use a lot when you use it. So for that reason, I think it'll be pretty simple to use up. Yeah, so I'm feeling pretty confident about this. This is not my favorite product by any means. I like it, but for the price and for how much you have to use to like actually get the benefits, it's definitely not worth it to me, but I will enjoy using it up. Hopefully it's not around too long just with this defective packaging, and it gets really messy, so I don't love it for that reason, and I really want to just get it out of my collection. And then also I had in my little stress release pocket bag. So here, hopefully you can see the lines on this. Oh, perfect, yeah. So here is how much progress I made. I used this 6 times according to my notes. At the beginning of the month, I was working on finishing up another hand sanitizer that I had. So now this is officially at my makeup vanity, which means that I have better access to it and I'm more likely to use it every single day. When it's in my purse, it really depends on the situations I am in, like if I'm getting gas or like doing something that I want hand sanitizer. If I'm at work, I have a full size like pump hand sanitizer, so I am not typically reaching for my pocket bags. So now that it's at my makeup vanity, it should go faster. It should get a lot of use out of it. This stress relief pocket bag is more fragrant in my opinion than other pocket bags. I don't know if it's just because of like the eucalyptus, that scent just stands out so much to me, but of course maybe as I try more pocket bags that won't be the case, but I just feel like this is so fragrant. So when it was in my purse too, I wasn't always reaching for it just because I felt like I put it on my hands and then it would last forever, and I like didn't want to touch anything because it was so fragrant on my hands, if that makes any sense. So I think it being at my makeup vanity is going to help me get some progress. We will see over the next month, and if not, maybe I'll have another plan. So yeah. And as you've seen, I did not finish anything. I really am trying to finish 40 products over all of my project pans this year. So my makeup project, my skincare project, and this project. Currently, I've only finished 2, which is not a very good rate, but I have a lot of full-size products in these projects, like that are going to be in the long haul. But I did mention in my skincare project that I was close to finishing up my lotion that I was using as a hand cream. So I am going to throw in my Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte hand cream into this project. It's pretty skinny. I mean, I've used quite a bit of it. No, this is not necessarily season appropriate right now, but I love it no matter what. It's definitely like a fall you can definitely tell like there's a little bit of that pumpkin in there, but I get the marshmallow and I get also the latte, like that more coffee type of scent. So I feel like I could use this all year round just because I love like a marshmallow, vanilla, anything like that type of scent. But yeah, so I definitely love this hand cream. It's super easy to throw on at any time, or like after washing my hands and stuff like that. So I love keeping it in my purse, even using it at my work desk. So I don't think this will be hard to use up, but yeah, I wanted to throw it in here because I am almost done with my other hand cream from my skincare project pan, and I'm trying to use things up this year, so I had to include it. So those are all my updates for my Bath & Body Works project pan today. Hopefully I'm gonna have 1 or 2 items done before the next update. I feel like February went by super fast, so I didn't really have a ton of time to work on these products. I felt like I was kind of like running out of days to work on things. So I think now that we're moving into March, I'm gonna have more time like to actively use these products, or maybe it'll just feel that way, I don't know. So that is all I have for today's update. Let me know what you are trying to finish in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this video here today. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.